Hi all, I am Prathamesh and I have made a program using Python through which we can easily communicate with the computers or laptop. So let us have a look.
Hello. Nice to meet you. My name is Andromeda. How should I help you? Read the above notes for your reference. However, I can start a software or a application as you speak.
Hello, could you please start Chrome or Google for me?
Opening Chrome.
Start Excel.
We can only open MS Excel 16 for you.
Okay, start MS Paint.
Welcome to our latest version of Paintbrush.
Close the paintbrush.
Closing Paintbrush.
Could you please start Notepad?
Wait, the notepad is opening.
Close the notepad.
Closing Notepad.
By the way, what's the time now?
0401.
Could you please start Calculator?
Wait for a minute till the calculator starts.
Close the calculator.
Closing Calculator.
Could you please start WM Player for me?
The application you are searching is currently unavailable. I am still there to help you.
Okay, start YouTube.
Wait. The YouTube is opening.
Close the YouTube.
Closing YouTube.
Could you please start Command Prompt?
We have only black version of command prompt.
Close the command prompt.
Closing command prompt.
Thank you. Exit.
Thank you. Visit again.